Yeah, a very good afternoon, everybody. Stop loss here from Tradehouse 256. Yeah, I'm back with analysis for you guys. I think it has been a while. I think I last made for analysis like last week, part one, but nevertheless, I'm here. So, up on your screen, that is pound a USD. Sorry, pound USD. So, let me just look at the higher time frame. Strong impulse push the downside here. Now we are having this retracement phase. Okay. Before actually looking at this market continuing for continuous sales. That is now the overall bigger picture on my higher time frame. So there's something that you should also notice is that we had this trend line here that was respected. Okay, trend line bounce there. We had a trend line bounce here. We had a trend line that was respected here. Okay, then there's something else that we had. We saw a break of structure here. Let me just give it for you. Break of structure here. Okay, creating a new high, breaking above this previous highest point. Okay, so what I'm looking out for, I'll be waiting patiently for this area to be retested, and then we can continue to the upside for those continuations there. So if I also look closer, just breaking it down for the markets, there's this counter trend line that was broken. Where is it? Let me see. Yeah, counter trend line was broken. Okay, so we could have a retest of this counter trend line here, but I'll be looking out to get in for new buys around this zone here. This zone, let me just give it a different color, green. This zone here. Okay, so that is basically how I'm going to be tackling that market. But first of all, I want to see this market give us this retrace. Okay, the retrace here could have, we would love to see this market give us a good retrace. Someone can also trade the retrace, good pips, before having that push for the continuation. So basically that's how I'm looking at the market, and I'll be looking at tackling it that way this coming trading week. So if you have any questions, you can type in the chat, or you can follow us on our social media pages. Stop loss on TikTok, then Tradehouse 256 on our X channels, and Tradehouse 256 on our YouTube channels. Happy trading. I will see you on the next one.